Hey guys, Jason here for AVGearshop. Today I'm going to introduce you to the Boost Industries S1-FLR2 Telescopic SONOS speaker stand. Let's take a look inside. Got the owner's manual here. The base is solid metal, quite sturdy. So as we can see here, you have the option of using carpet spikes, or if you have hardwood flooring, there are rubberized adjustable feet as well. The first step in the installation process recommends that you attach either the carpet spikes or the rubberized feet here. So I'm going to go ahead and install the stand using the rubberized feet.
The included spikes are perfect for carpets and area rugs.
The screw holes for the rubberized feet are machine fitted, so these things screw in quite easily. And as mentioned, they are fully adjustable, so you can simply loosen them to increase your height or tighten them to decrease the height based on the surface you're working with. Now the next step in the process is to attach the pole to the base. Here's the pole, and as you can see, it requires 4 screws. The screws along with the Allen key to attach them are included. So here we are with the base firmly connected, and it's time to attach the speaker cradle. It has 2 holes as well as the cable management shoe for the Sonos speaker. The speaker cradle is attached by 2 screws. A Phillips screwdriver is required for this part of the installation. So there it is, the stand fully assembled. So as mentioned at the start of the video, the stand is telescopic. In its collapsed position, it is 27 inches tall. And it can go as high as 50 inches. Now I'm going to attach the Sonos speaker to show you how easy it is and how the cable management works. What's really cool here is that the speaker stand itself allows for cable management, so you can feed the cable right from underneath the base and up onto the speaker cradle. You can see here, there's a full cable management channel where you can actually just tuck the cable away. There you go, so you don't have any messy cable hanging all over the place. So with the power cable seated in the cradle, the last step is just simply to drop the Sonos speaker on. And there you have it.